Oh, I'm so tired. I just visited my sister. I went there by foot and it took me about 3 hours total. I thought it was like 15 kilometers, but it turned out it was like 18. So yeah, I've done my share of workouts today. Yeah, I hopped in my car right now and I'm off to meet my friend. We're gonna grab some coffee and chat a bit. It's not a good morning, as you can hear. I woke up to that. It started before 8 o'clock and it's been non-stop. My bed is actually like shaking. Oh. I'm so tired right now. Oh. And the thing is that this has been going on for months. It's absolutely horrible. I've been telling people that the reason why I'm so tired is because I couldn't sleep. Because of the freaking banging next door. Well, drilling, actually. And they're just like, I don't get it. So what if they drill next door? The sound is so loud and it's every freaking morning. They start at around 7:45 and usually it lasts like half an hour and then nothing for the whole day. But now it's been going on for nearly an hour and a half and my head is bursting. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in the shower and go to the office or something. So hi guys, I just got back from the office and they're still drilling. The ground is literally shaking. It's so annoying. It's 1 o'clock and I assume they've been drilling the whole time, so like for more than 5 hours now. I have no idea what they're doing. Well anyways, I haven't eaten anything today, so I'm gonna make myself some soup and then I need to go sort out my phone situation. As I have told you, my phone has been playing tricks on me for the past week and yesterday was kind of the last straw. It just turned off. I didn't even do anything with it. I just took the key lock off and it just shut down and it wouldn't turn on anymore. So I was kind of left in a bit of a trouble because I don't have all the same numbers in this other phone. So yeah, yesterday I decided that I would do something about it today. So I'm not sure if I have the guarantee left anymore. If not, I'm gonna have to buy a new phone and I'm never gonna buy a Samsung again. Never, ever, 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 ever. Yeah, nothing but trouble from the beginning actually. The first thing that went wrong was I didn't receive any text messages, like they just didn't come through, and that was like in the first month that I started using the phone. Oh, my water is boiling. Hold on a minute. Today I'm having this chicken tandoori thing. Yummy. Yeah, well anyways, it's gotten all kinds of little problems. I've had that phone for 2 years, the same time that I have had this phone, which is iPhone 5, and I've never had any problems with this. So I'm thinking that I might go and get the iPhone 6. I know it's quite expensive, and yeah, but I think that it's worth it if it's like properly working. It won't drive me mental every time. So that would mean I would have spent about 1,000 euros within 2 days. Actually, I don't know if I even told you that we booked flights. Okay, the lights went out. Booked flights to Spain with my sister. We're leaving on the 1st of July. We're spending a week there. As I was talking earlier about the neediness of vacation, so it's coming in a few months. I'm really excited about that trip. But yeah, I'm gonna eat my soup now before it gets cold and catch up with you later. So I just came back from the operator, and it turned out that I still had 2 weeks of the guarantee left to my phone. Thankfully, they sent it to get fixed, and I just got so fed up with the Samsung phones that I decided to buy a new phone instead. So I got the iPhone 6. Haven't even opened the package yet. Gonna do it in a minute. But yeah, it's gonna take like 2 weeks for the phone to get done. If they can get it fixed, I don't know. And then I'm gonna have to like sell it or something. But now I have a new phone. I think the Apple products are always more reliable than any other products, so yay. Yeah, I haven't set up the new phone yet. You know, it's kind of a great feeling to be without a phone. You know, it's like freeing experience almost. I don't know. I did have time, so I could have set the phone up, but I didn't want to. It was weird. Yeah, but anyways, I have my work phone, so that's all that matters. And now I'm gonna go and get my mail, because tomorrow I need to go and do my, I don't know how you say it in English, but I'm going to my accountants to do the monthly tax thingy. Yeah, anyways. So there was no mail for me. Not even bills, can you believe it? I was waiting for like 10 bills at least. But then again, I just remembered that I paid all my bills last week, so it would be unfair if they sent another one so quick. So I'm gonna head home. There's so much traffic. So I finally set up the new phone. I chose the black and gray, I think it was. And to tell you the truth, I don't know if it's because I hate change, but I don't like it. I don't know why. I guess I just got so used to the old Samsung. But the most annoying thing is that, of course, I didn't get to back up anything from the old phone before it broke down. So like all my pictures from 2 years back till now, and all the numbers and all, they were all in the phone, and they're gone. Or I don't know if they can salvage them, but I doubt it. I'm preparing for the worst. I feel kind of sad because I don't even remember what numbers what I needed. And actually, I don't even know if my dad's number is here. Hold on. And it's like, you know, Samsung had, when you pressed like here, it was like a return button. But this doesn't have any return buttons. Not cool, Apple. Yeah, I'm guessing that this phone like automatically synchronized with the other iPhone, with that phone. And I'm guessing, I don't know if, because there are some numbers that I really don't need on this phone, like work numbers. If I remove them from this phone, will it remove them from that phone? Or I don't know. Because I really usually hate it when there are like too many numbers that I don't need. Yeah, well, anyways, I'm guessing I will eventually get used to this one. Actually, I need to test the camera. If it's any better than this, then I will start vlogging on this new phone. Have to try it out. But yeah, it's kind of late now. It's 11 p.m. and I'm gonna go to bed. So see you tomorrow.